What's up, you guys, and welcome back to my channel. Okay, so today we're getting ready for chemistry class with me, and as you can see, I'm in my bedroom because I set up my school stuff in my bedroom because my office is freezing and it's way too cold. So I came up. I'm gonna show you how I set up my planner. I also have a calendar on my desktop that I set up so that I can remember everything. And yeah, let's get into this video. Okay, so we're gonna go over it's either top 8 or 10 things you need to do to be super prepared for chemistry. And the first thing I'm gonna recommend, if you don't already have one, is get a planner. I have chemistry I start Monday. Today is Saturday. This planner is full. There's like 10 assignments due every week for chemistry. My course is 8 weeks. If yours is longer, of course, it may not be as much, but my course is 8 weeks. So that's number one. Get a planner because you're going to need to remember what's due. Put it in your planner. Put it on your phone. I have a desk calendar. Put it in your desk calendar. Put it anywhere. Put it anywhere. Secondly, once your course opens for your school, as soon as that course opens, you need to start reviewing everything that teacher has that's due, everything that's coming up. You need to see what the first week's lesson is. You need to make sure you go over your syllabus, sign any things you have to sign, lab forms, all those documents. You need to do that. Third, print your syllabus. Don't just look over that syllabus. Print you a copy so you always have it, because the syllabus is life. You submit an assignment and something's wrong, that syllabus is going to back you up if you're right and the professor is wrong because they put it that way in their syllabus. Print that syllabus. You need that syllabus. Get a binder. Get a binder. If you're not a binder person, become one. Because with chemistry, there's probably going to be a lot of notes. There's going to be a lot of words, terms, math, some of everything that you need to remember. And we want to remember those things. So we're going to get a binder. We're going to organize our binder. Don't worry. If you don't know how to organize your binder, I will walk you through it in this video. Also, download the PowerPoints. If your teacher uploaded her PowerPoints already, you're going to know this when you review your class files. Download those PowerPoints. Start viewing those PowerPoints. I wouldn't say go crazy trying to teach yourself everything because you don't want to confuse yourself. What if you teach it to yourself the wrong way? What if you teach it to yourself out of order? Because in chemistry, everything builds off of one another. So I wouldn't say go crazy with that. But get those PowerPoints on your computer. If you don't know how, guess what? That's in this video too. Okay, so next we're going to print a periodic table because you need one, a good one. And then we're going to put the commonly used metrics for chemistry. And you're going to laminate them if you can. If you can't, put them in a sheet protector. This way you're not always trying to print those things, get those things ready or looking for them. You have them in your binder. You know where they are. They're ready. Get those things. Okay, next, get you some YouTube resources because we don't all understand the things our teachers are saying. Sometimes the way they teach may not be what's best for us. I have found that Khan Academy is very helpful. Crash Course on YouTube is a very helpful course as well. Those are the two things that I found to be very helpful in other classes, and I've been reviewing their chemistry videos and they seem very easy to understand and follow. So I would recommend you follow and subscribe to maybe their chemistry playlist and things like that on YouTube so that when you are taught something in class and you don't get it, you can go there for a reference. Also, I just got to keep them coming, you guys. Keep them coming. Ask questions. If you have a question, do not ask. You have to ask your teacher. Maybe go to tutoring if you're not getting it from your teacher. Chamberlain offers the CAS where you can go get tutoring for any subject that they offer. So if you're not getting it and you attend Chamberlain, click on that CAS, set up some tutoring, and get you some help. We're making A's all 2021, you guys. A's. We'll take a B if the course is really defeating us, but we're getting good grades. You're going to do all those things, and I guarantee you'll be successful in chemistry if you stay on top and do all of those things. You don't know how to do some of them? Like I said, it's okay. We're going to walk you through it. I'll walk you how I set up my binder, how I download my chemistry notes to my computer, all those these. Just stay tuned to these videos. You guys, I really hope these tips help some of you. I really, really, really do, because I feel like if you follow them, woo! Let's rewind. Get you some of these. Get you some highlighters. Get every color they have. Get you some pens, everything, because notes are going to get you through life. And I've found that when the notes are more colorful and pretty and beautiful, they just, I don't know, it helps you retain it. And if you can, get a study buddy. Because, hey, it's always better to study with someone if you're that type of person. If you're not that type of person, that's not going to help you. But if you are, get you one. It could benefit you. Set you up a nice study station. Just get your life in order. Get your affairs in order to handle any appointments, because chemistry can be hard. And chemistry can be very, intimidating. If you start prepared, it can intimidate you. If you get confused, you ask questions. But let's get into how to set up that binder and how to download those notes. So I came in to review my class. I always print out my syllabus. Let me show you guys. I always print out my syllabus because, I don't know, when I started school, I got the advice of someone. And they were like, always print out your syllabus. Don't ever not print out your syllabus. You really need to print out your syllabus for every class. It'll really help you put it in the front of your binder. This is my chemistry syllabus. And what you guys will see me put in my planner is all these dates. I have already imported it into my calendar on my computer and on my phone. Let me see if I can show you. So since class starts next year, boom, it's already right here. And you can see when the assignments are due, and I'll get a notification on when the assignments are due and what day. And so for like this day, all of these assignments are due at midnight, so that's why it says they're due at midnight. Up here, they're all due at midnight. So if you click them, you can get more information. But yes, I imported my calendar from my school into my phone and into my computer so I can get notifications that way. If you watch my planner video, you know that I have the Med Nursing Student Planner for school. And this is the planner that I'm going to put all those important dates you just saw in. I have multiple planners, you guys. I'll link that video just in case you guys are interested in any of these planners. But I also have planners on my iPad. So like if I need to write something in this planner, I'm also going to have it in this planner. This planner jumps, I'm pretty sure. Okay, so this one, oh wait, I have to, let me see. Yeah, this one jumps to the month you need it to jump to. So since we're in January, of course, I will put all my stuff in January like this. But yeah, so I'm getting ready to do all of that. I will show you guys kind of how I do that. This is the binder that I use for every class. So I was watching a straight A nursing video, and she was like, get one really big 2-inch binder and divide it for 2 classes. And as you can see, these were my last 2 classes. I make these little assignment due sheets because I also write my assignments on one of these. And then you divide the binder in 2. So this was for my speech class, and then it's of course labeled week 1 through 8 because that's how long my courses are. And then if you keep flipping, you have my sociology class, I think that's what it was, and it's labeled week 1 through 8. So I'm going to get this binder. As you can see, look, my syllabuses. Every class I'm gonna print out the syllabus. It doesn't matter what the class is, no matter how big it is, I'm gonna print out the syllabus, as you can see. So I'm getting ready to put my course syllabus in this binder. Syllabus. I can take these 2 out. I've already pretty much moved all the notes and stuff until I have like a 6-inch binder where I'm gonna keep all my notes and stuff from nursing school in case I need to reference it. That way you're not like buying all these binders and keeping all this stuff. So that was a good idea that I learned. And I'm about to take everything out of this binder and move it over to that 6-inch binder that I told you guys about, and make sure that I get this binder ready for next semester, because every 8 weeks I have new classes and I have to get the binder ready for the new classes. I'm gonna start taking these out. So these are all my assignment by week for those 2 classes. So we're gonna move those to the other binder, but yeah, this is now empty and ready for me to put my next 2 classes in it. Okay, so this is my weekly assignments sheet that I write up. I said I was going digital this semester, but I prefer to have a written copy. I'm also a written notes person. I don't like digital notes. I just don't feel like I'll look at them as much. So we put the week due, all of the assignments due, and as you can see, there is a bunch of assignments due for chemistry and just 2 discussions for humanities. Over here, I put things I don't want to forget, of course. At the bottom, important dates. So these are the days that I actually have class and how long I have class, and I have to sit there until class is over. I always remind myself that on Sunday, all my work must be submitted. So yeah, that's my assignments due sheet. I'm getting ready to write everything in my planner. I printed this out for my lab safety training, and I'm getting ready to take my lab safety quiz, and then of course I will put this in my binder just to always have. As you can see, I've set up my binder. This is the chemistry section, and then this is my humanities section. So I'm almost done preparing for class for next week, but I am going to take this lab safety quiz because if I don't, I cannot see the intro for next week in chemistry. Okay, so really quickly, I thought I would show you guys how I download my files from my school into my GoodNotes. So in my school, we have a folder called Files, and I go there, and as you can see, there's the PowerPoints that we're going to be using, and you can click week 1, and it'll download. This is on my iPad. It's pretty much the same for your MacBook, but this is on my iPad. I click week 1, and then I'm going to share it to GoodNotes. And when I share it to GoodNotes, it will import, and now it is in my file for GoodNotes, and this is kind of like what it looks like. It just has the whole slideshow on there, and what I plan on doing is going through the slideshows, highlighting, and wonder why that one looks like that, highlighting and putting everything that I think is important, everything that I think I need. I start class next week on Monday, so I will be previewing week 1 slide this week so that I can go to class and ask any questions that I have. But with my school, you're allowed to preview the class a week before. So as I was previewing my class, as you can see, I have to download Respondus Lockdown Browser so that I'm allowed to take my chemistry quizzes and exams. And if I don't have this software, I cannot. So just make sure you guys always preview your class whenever they open it so that you can be prepared and have all these things done. I'm going to download it on all of my computers. No, I'm not, because I'm never going to take a test downstairs. It's absolutely too cold down there to take a test. But I am going to download it on this browser. So yeah, make sure you guys do that. I've successfully downloaded the lockdown browser. So in order to use it, you have to click it and log into it from your school. It will close everything on your computer, as you saw. It's closing everything on my computer. I'm going to log in, and I'm going to take this quick quiz showing that I have it installed. And yeah, that's pretty much how it goes for Chamberlain anyway. I can only speak for my school. Different schools use different lockdown browsers. So yeah. Well, I'm going to laminate my periodic table in my commonly used metric system. My teacher posted these in our class for us to have. I have a mini laminator, so that's why I'm going to laminate them. I'm just waiting on it to get ready. But this is also part of me getting ready for school, guys. You have to get the things that you really know you're going to need and prepare them and get them ready so that you're ready on day 1. Okay, guys, so everything is pretty much laminated and ready to go. As you can see, I've been making notes on my PowerPoint already. I've highlighted and color coordinated the things that are due. I have my binder right here next to my desk, so when it's time for class, I am ready. I set up my study space. There's my pens, my highlighters, my pencils. You see my laminator right now because I'm laminating something else. But just try to be set up, ready, and organized. Also, get you a scientific calculator, because you're gonna have so many equations in chemistry, and your teacher will probably allow you to use it because your quizzes will be timed and you probably can't do the calculations as fast as the calculator, so that way you don't run out of time on your quiz. And if you guys like this video, be sure to like and subscribe for more content.